When the film is getting released,
Huh.
there is promotion interviews.
Oh my
So
God.
when you're doing the
Don't talk
promotion
about-
interviews, it's like there are tables and there is the PR manager. They come with 9 managers, hair manager, clothes manager, business manager, image consultant, and they do isharas कि अभी बहुत हो गया. And they speak only what they want to speak. Whereas in our time, we were more friendly to each star individually than the stars were to each other. And there are so many things, Smita, as a woman, you'll understand. These are girls who have not been to college. So they were fascinated with our lives. कि कॉलेज में जाते हो, आपके दोस्त होते हो, आप पढ़ते हो, फिर आप ट्रेन लेकर ऐसे हमको मिलने आते हो. And there are so many things that they're going through which you can't tell your mother. You can't tell your hairdresser, which they used to tell us. And it's all here in the heart. Nobody told you that this is off record and this is on record. You came from that kind of a family, that kind of values and tradition that you would not betray your own sister or your aunt. You didn't betray them. It was just so organic.
You just knew ये छाप सकते हैं, ये नहीं छाप सकते.
और कभी कभी क्या
वो
होता
gut
है
instinct से होता
विद
है.
दैट इंस्टिंक्ट. कभी कभी क्या होता था कि एडिटर को, तब तो एडिटर थे हमारे, तो एडिटर को पता होता था कि भावना की दोस्ती फलाना एक्ट्रेस के साथ बहुत क्लोज है, तो सपोज दैट एक्ट्रेस गॉट मैरिड ओवरनाइट, तो ही विल से कि यू डिडंट नो दैट शी वाज गेटिंग मैरिड. सो आई वुड श्रग माई शोल्डर एंड से I used to just open my eyes and roll my eyes when I didn't want to say anything. तो it's my prerogative that मैं कितनी बात करूँगी ऑफिस में, कितनी नहीं करूँगी. वो मेरे साथ किस तरह की लॉयल्टी दिखाए उससे मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. ये मेरा कैरेक्टर है.
किस किस शादी आपने रिपोर्ट नहीं की जिसके लिए आपको पुल अप किया गया? अब तो बता सकती हैं आप.
शबानाज में.
हाँ, ओके. वो तो अनु कपूर ने
अनु
यहाँ पे
कपूर अभी
बताया.
इतने सालों के बाद ना, क्योंकि अनु कपूर वहाँ बहुत
या
होते थे उस वक्त, तो इस तरह के कुछ भी और भी थे.
हाँ, which you knew.
या
You knew about Hema Malini and Dharmender?
एवरीबडी न्यू.
Everybody knew?
Everybody knew. Because the first time Dharamji said, I'm married to her, it was for my magazine. I was not the editor, I was a reporter. And we had gone, me and my colleague, all the way to Film City. उस वक्त Film City में जाना ही एक बड़ा ट्रैक होता था. लायन, शेर, टाइगर सब रास्ते में निकलते थे. तो हम दोनों गए थे और फिर खाली उनसे एक लाइन लेनी थी कि येस आई एम मैरिड टू हर. उसके लिए कुछ 4 घंटे हमने फील्डिंग की थी. और फाइनली वो जैसे ही बोला, एडिटर को फ़ोन किया, उसने बोला फ़ौरन निकल जाओ. तो निकल गए हम लोग.
Before he calls up and says कि kill the story. Oh wow.
And even when she was pregnant,
So he first said that I'm married. She didn't say it first.
she never said.
Okay. And when
And-
she was pregnant?
When she was pregnant, he had booked lots of places पे. So nobody knew where she was going to deliver. To mislead the media.
Huh. But also she was acting and nobody knew that she's pregnant and she's
Yeah.
dancing and
That she said in my book. I've done a
Huh.
autobiography on her, biography. She said everybody used to feel that she's put on weight, but she's such a beautiful face.
Yeah.
And there was nothing on the face that showed her pregnancy. So she used to get into that costume. She even was performing Bharatanatyam dances. So she said everybody used to say that she's putting on weight, but I didn't tell anybody. Nobody asked me anything. And Razia Sultan की shooting कर रही थी.
हाँ.
So she said, I was all the time craving for sweet. So every time the khana was over, she'll say, मेरे लिए ये sweet मंगा दो. That's why I think Isha Deol is such a sweet girl.
Yeah, that had one of the best music, I feel.
Oh
Razia
my God.
Sultan. But
वो जो लता जी का गाना है.
हाँ,
ए दिले
but-
नादान.
ए दिले नादान. Not ए दिले नादान.
हाँ वही.
ए दिले नादान.
And it was
Yes.
shot on the sand
Yes,
dunes.
yes,
And
sand dunes
then
में
there
shoot
is
किया
a
था.
pause in the song.
Yes.
Yeah.
There is
Correct.
a
हवा
pause.
चलती है
ये
फिर.
ज़मीं चुप है या
हाँ, आसमां चुप है.
And then the song picks up.
begins
Oh
again.
my
Yeah,
God.
yeah.
You know, रोंगटे खड़े जाते
Yes,
हैं.
yes.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
I
yeah.
remember attending the premiere of that film,
Yes. Dharamji didn't
and
come.
it was a disaster at the premiere itself.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
And it had the most beautiful songs,
Yeah.
but picturized badly. एंड मूवी मेड ये तेरा हिज्र मेरा
हाँ,
नसीब
तेरा
है
हिज्र मेरा नसीब है.
एंड
People couldn't understand the language because it
Yeah.
was so मतलब वो इतना
pure Urdu.
प्योर उर्दू थी.
हाँ.
And it was held at Maratha Mandir Theatre in Mumbai.
हाँ.
I distinctly remember, and it was one of my first premieres I had attended. And Smita ji, you won't believe it. And you won't believe, Smita ji, it was like interval में या पिक्चर जब चल रही थी तो people were getting restless. They couldn't understand कि स्क्रीन पे हो क्या रहा है.
Yeah.
And imagine the film is going to release after 1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
और ये प्रीमियर पे रिएक्शन था. ये मैंने 2 फिल्मों में देखा है ऐसा. एक रज़िया सुल्तान में और दूसरा हम आपके हैं कौन में.
people
बात कर रहे हो?
क्या हाँ
Yes, I'll tell you that. I'll come to that as well.
yeah first let's do Razia Sultan then let's
So
come
I
to
remember that जब वो इंटरवल भी नहीं हुआ and people the entire industry was there and they all a lot of people actually walked out of the premiere of Razia Sultan at that point of time क्योंकि लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रही थी and it was so lengthy. It
Yeah.
was a 70 mm print.
yeah
Now that place had a lot of held a lot of value for Kamal Amrohi साहब because वहाँ पर मुगल आजम का भी प्रीमियर हुआ था and he wanted it there. But जब इंटरवल में रिएक्शंस आए और जब फिल्म जब समाप्त हुई it was unanimous. There were jokes flying the next day.
we were laughing at धर्मेंद्र की क्या
क्या किया था?
एक सीन में
Yes.
ग्रे लग रहे हैं एक
हाँ.
सीन में ब्राउन एक
Yes.
it was I saw it in I think Mahadev Road Auditorium or something special screening
शीला
की
में?
गई
Yeah.
नहीं दिल्ली में in a special screening I saw the theater was also बिल्कुल ही bunkum and it was done so badly everybody was giggling that what have you done you know
It was a disaster from the first show itself. I mean, premiere की तो खैर इंडस्ट्री वालों ने देखा था.
yeah
Cast
So it was
crew
a
होंगे.
flop film,
It
no?
was a disaster. It was a complete disaster.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.